Hello. Today is just some days after Christmas and I wasn't celebrate Christmas. The Christmas is for me family day, and if you don't have family with which you can celebrate Christmas, this Christmas isn't happy day for you. If you don't have home for which you can tell that is home sweet home, you can't be happy on Christmas. If you are on the street, if you are away from home, it's Christmas just one day in the year, like other days. I must tell that I wasn't put Christmas tree for seven or maybe 10 years. I wasn't put Christmas tree out and celebrate Christmas like other people celebrate Christmas. But this year, December's days was very hard for me again, because the last year I was get for my birthday that my husband was put in jail for 1 year and 3 months. This year on 23rd of December was 1 year of when he is in jail and 1 year of my birthday, because I have birthday on 23 of December. But like I said that I don't celebrate Christmas, this year destiny was wanted that I get something for Christmas. It's a little bit sad that you must find something that you are happy for Christmas. And I was find a case, plastic case, with Christmas chocolate Christmas man, Santa, big egg, chocolate big egg, and I get this for Christmas. What I was found on the street again. Everything what street gives me this year and other years before, I wear, I dress, I eat, I live. The street gives me so many things that which makes me happy. Like if people doesn't make me happy, so I am happy now. This is the case what I was found. Look, and this is super cool. 2 bags, like for me and my husband. But he's not with me. So this is sad because he isn't with me for Christmas and for my birthday, and I like to be very happy if he would be with me, but he isn't, and he is not gonna be with me for some months more. And this was very nice gift to me, that I was found on the street again.